Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Introduction to Data Structures, part of data structures using C++. Data structures are the building blocks of computer programs and provide a way to store and manipulate data efficiently. A data structure can be thought of as a specific way of organizing data in memory so that it can be accessed and manipulated efficiently. Some common data structures include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Each data structure has its own characteristics and can be used to solve different problems. For example, arrays are good for storing and accessing data in a fixed order, while linked lists are better for inserting and deleting data at random positions. Stacks are used for keeping track of function calls in a program, and queues are used for managing incoming requests or tasks in a computer system. Trees and graphs can be used to represent hierarchical relationships between objects or to store and search for data in a more complex manner. In general, choosing the right data structure of a particular problem can greatly impact the performance, efficiency, and overall success of a program. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.